I saw a little thing I didn't like, you tried to hide from me. I wanna know if you told there's nobody.
Let's go. Yeah. No class but all sass, grew fast with no dash. Yeah, tall glass but I fall back. I want all that, I want all that. Heart attack, get my heart back. Dark eyes and a dark past, white lies and a heavy cast. Pain inside like tar is black. Silent tragedies at night when she's sleeping. Can't control her little mind in the evening. So she passes all her time by just pleasing others who aren't worth her time till she's dreaming.
I want you to want me. Pupils dilate as you're moving closely. Whisper to me softly. Tell me everything is gonna be fine, save me. You don't even know me. Hidden deep inside is a monster, baby. So tell me that you want me. I only feel alive when my heart beats racing.
Bloodshot can't escape these thoughts, it's mind rape. And my fate is your taste. Obsessed with foreplay, undress my poor brain. I just want more pain, give me drugs, ignore fame. The skin is soft but she's rough on the inside. I can't stop and she's got nowhere to hide. I'm getting lost in my thoughts and in her mind. Sometimes I think that I'm a fraud stealing her time.
I want you to want me. Pupils dilate as you're moving closely. Whisper to me softly. Tell me everything is gonna be fine, save me. You don't even know me. Hidden deep inside is a monster, baby. So tell me that you want me. I only feel alive when my heart beats racing. You once said I'll never walk away, I'll never sail away, I'll never go. And I was there standing outside your door, waiting for you to show me how to stay. I've been there before, hoping and trying to make things right, but now I don't know. Honey, these arms that once held you are ready to fight. Ready to fight. You once said I'll never walk away, I'll never sail away, I'll never go. And I was standing outside your door, waiting for you to show me how to stay. I've been there before, hoping and trying to make things right, but now I don't know. Honey, these arms that once held you are ready to fight. Ready to fight. Honey, these arms that once held you are ready to fight. Ready to fight. Home is everywhere your heart is. I can be that home if you please walk with me and we'll be gone, dear. Home is everywhere your heart is. I can be that home if you please walk with me and we'll be gone, dear. Honey, these arms that once held you are ready to fight. Ready to fight. Ready to fight. Honey, these arms that once held you are ready to fight.
You don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet underground. I'm ostracized and traumatized by everything I'm not alright. I'm lost inside and anything I say you better listen up closely. Mostly, I'm the one and only, bring it home slowly. Hand your boy the trophy, patience is holy moly. I got him hating on me like Michael hates Toby. Force like I'm Obi, you know the one Kenobi. Force fed baloney by phonies, just wanna rule the world, call me Mr. Steel Girl. Easy gave me the referral, now he's worried about a jail. Yeah, coming out strong, I've been here for a long time. Started off online, finish off all time. They can call me crazy cause I rap like I got rabies. I'm confident, not lazy, and I'm dominating lately. She want me like some pastries, I'ma give it to these ladies like I'm Hefner in my 80s. Still I'm pushing up daisies. Don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. Don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. I can taste it, I'm fading, why am I still waiting? What are y'all debating? It's really irritating. You hear what I'm saying? Fear got him shaking. You won't ever find a fucker like me in the making. Bite me and you'll break him, your teeth will be vacant. I don't need to be patient, man, I breed entertainment. From the streets, not the basement. Oh, see, I've been baking like your mama's casserole she makes me. I've turned on the radio when you hear some shit, your throat all slit if you don't post this, and I won't be missed. Hell no, I'm pissed. I'm the only rapper in this game worth shit. I go it on my own, don't need nobody's help. I do it all alone, I'ma do it by myself. All these lyrics on my own, you won't put me on the shelf. Every punch that I throw, I can send your ass to hell. Better run, bitch, down with me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. Don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet underground.